Everybody, this is Factory Tycoon here with a little look at a game that came across my radar on Twitter the week, so I thought I'd take a look at it. So what are we looking at? We are looking at Smart Factory Tycoon Beginnings. Now, this particular, as you can see on the screen, is a free version. This is a free version of Smart Factory Tycoon, a game inspired by Little Big Workshop, introducing the first productions. Smart Factory Tycoon is a tycoon management game where you design your dream factory with robots, plan all your steps of production, and research new technology to become a tycoon. Now, this was released in 2020 January. So it's been out. The free version has been out since the beginning of the year. The full version itself came out the end of March. As we can see on the screen, this is not the full version of the game. This ends when you reach factory level 5. I've turned the sign down because I don't want to get copyright strikes. So I've turned the sign right down. So let's go into a new game. I've not looked at this at all. It's pure. I'm purely just diving straight in without any looking at it at all. So it'll be fun. Do we make tours? I don't know. That'll do. Let's leave this for looks alright. Let's just leave nothing, leave everything as it is. Tick. You can edit or demolish your rooms if there's no operation in the building. Okay. Let's click to start. Okay. Name the building. Name your first building. Oh, let's be original. Building 1. Normally, I spend hours agonising over what to call things, but let's just keep it building 1. Okay, WSD. Right, mouse button to move around. Excellent. Press construct. And let's just zone out a bit. This way. So, a bit weird. Okay, press construction button from the left down menu. This one. Okay. Build a production room. Minimum 4 tiles, but 4x5 is a good start. Okay. A production room, 4x5. So where do I put this one? So how do I do this then? Hang on. So hold and drag them out. Ah, right, okay. 4x5 did it say? 5x4. Okay. Right. Add a door. We need a door. And tick. Okay, we built a room. Happy days. What's next? Buy machines. Press the machines button, and from the left down menu. I don't like the way that's worded, but that's me being fussy. Buy the required machine: a paint station, plastic, and paint injection machine. So we're going to go for this. What have we got here? Have we got any kind of time going? Let's just pause time a second on day 1. Let's just pause it a second. So we've got planning mode, market. Update markets. We've got. This is obviously robots room, garden zones. It's obviously our construction. It's fairly simple. Looks fairly simple. Right. So what do we want? We've got to do a plastic painting machine. Paint station plastic. Looks like you can go there. And then we want. What was the other one we wanted? A paint injection machine. Okay, fairly simple. Okay, let's unpause it so we can. Okay. Next, press the construction button. Build a robots room 4x4. Robots room 4x4. Robot room. I've put that door in the wrong place, haven't I? 4x4. Oh heck no! Hang on. Oh no! I'm gonna start that again. So let's do from here. 4x4. Did I say? Yeah, put a door. We need a door. This is very simple, isn't it? Ah, that's just a pain. I can't put the door there, can I? Oh, that's a pain. I can't put the door opposite the door. So placement becomes a thing, doesn't it? Because I've placed that in a bad way. I should have put the door there. Okay. Press the robots room button and buy a charger and locate the robots room. Then buy a lubricator. So we want a charger and a lubricator. Charger. That's kind of. Can you rotate? How do you rotate these? That wonder. R rotates it. Okay, and then you want a lubricating thing. Hang on. Lubricating thing. So we want a lubricator. Hang on, let's not put it there. Put it there. Okay. And then we'll go. We'll pause. I'm just pause while we're doing all this stuff because it seems to be a bit silly to have the. Now it's time to buy some robots. Press the robot market and buy 2 robots. So we can buy Melina. You can buy 2 robots. You can choose a colour robot if you want. Okay. So I'm assuming you're expensive because you're rather good. So you are movement speed, processing, charge. Okay. We'll buy you, and then we're going to go with a cheaper one. Which one have we got? You'll do. Okay. Come by bus. Okay. Press play. Done that. Check the market on the left and choose Duck Y from the basic section. The market is a good start for you. Okay. Duck Y. Plastic ducks, variety of colours. Plan production. Okay. Okay. Plan production. Required. Hang on. Okay, they're ticked. I see top left is they're required. Okay. Now choose amount of production. 10 ducks. Okay. Yeah. 10 ducks. Amount 10 ducks. Okay. Yep. Choose your durability. If you choose high durability, you'll get more XP but less profit. If you want to earn money, low durability. So we're going to go with. Let's go with 60%. Okay. Raw materials durability, 60. All right. Link the machines. Click on the machine as the plan, then link them together. So I've got that. Hang on a second. No, hang on. What happened there? How do I do that? Link the machines. Click on the machine, then link the. What? I don't understand that. Link machines. Link to the machine on the current production to operate it. Okay, there, this one. Ah, right, got it. So press that, and it highlights what you're linking it to. Ah, right, okay. Then execute. That is really, really simple. Okay. Generate a zone in the production room. This is a default setting that allows you to be stored here. So I want to go to here, into the production room, and then hold and drag. So if I just go. Okay, doing that there. Okay. Okay. Generate a zone in the building room, not in the building. Then what? Export. Choose export zone. So generate a zone. Okay, anywhere in the building. Here. There. And then now what? Hang on. So then I go. Then right click to choose a zone. I want to go to export zone. Oh. Okay. This can be quite useful in placing close to buildings' entrance or doors. Okay. Cool. Wall, show, hide wall. Okay, cool. I like that. Plant trees in your garden to increase your sustainability. Purchase wind turbines and solar to reduce electricity costs, reduce your. Okay, so if I just hit pause a second, so what it's telling us now is in the garden, if we plant. They're locked. Why are they locked? Unlock solar energy. We've got to research. Oh. So we've planted a few trees. Let's plant a few trees here. Okay, so them. Okay. So we finished the tutorial. Really finished the tutorial. For more help, click on the question mark. Okay, right, I've paused it. Market. How do you do D&D? Research and development. So we want machine upgrade, green factory. Do I have to start here then? Your factory level measures. Your factory measures your general experience in running a factory. The higher the level, the more abilities and advantages you may unlock. Oh. Okay, so this requires, so, right, got you. So as we build more stuff, then right, I get you. Okay, I think. Okay. Okay, let's just press go and see what happens. So yes, they're loving that. Okay, so how much money we got? So that is, stability is -6. Excellent. So I should put some more trees down. This camera's a bit lovely, isn't it? Let's put some of these over here. Let's put some down here then. Let's put a line or two down there. I've no idea what effect it's going to have, but there you go. Okay, look at that. Sustainability 48. Happy days. Refer next piece. That's what does that do to research and development? We still haven't got it, so let's do this one again. Okay, use unused. Okay, fine. So we can't do that at the moment. Where are you going? What is this? Contracts. Okay. So obviously getting raw materials from somewhere. What is it? What is this? Building contracts. Okay. Oh, that's raw materials. Oh, I get it. Let's speed this up a bit to see what happens. Okay. Oh, hang on, let's slow it down. So let's just go right down to 1. Down to 1. So if I now press this, right, we can buy that area. Okay. So I go to market, special order. Okay. I suppose this is finished. See what happens. It would be now because I'm keen to know what happens when this finishes. Market graph. Okay. It'll be 67 units. Okay. How do I turn this off then? Okay. Contracts. How do I turn you off? Pause menu, help. Zones, economy, stats. Okay. Machines, market. For market category, specialists are very well paid. However, they may be changed on since they have to be delivered at a limited time. Okay. Comprehensive. Daily costs. Okay. My robots, R&D. Okay, that's nearly done. Okay, let's speed them up a little bit because I want to find out after we actually get nearly done. I want to find out when we deliver these 10 ducks. I'm assuming in this grand world order where the robots do everything, what are the humans are doing? Unless the robots have taken over this particular game world. Right, so now, I've now 100% completed that. So now what do I do? Delivery. I'm now delivering it, I assume. Products are ready for delivery. So delivering, coming for delivery. So now, if I now go to the market, first of all, let's have a look at R&D. Well, not that yet. Okay. Special order basics. If we go with this, what requires plant production, assembly plant. We need an assembly plant. Okay. So if I now go to machines, an assembly station. So do I need to put that in a room? Does that go in here? Okay. So if I now go into the market, if I go to basic, I plan production. So if we click on that, that clicks on there. I click on you, go to there, you go to there, and then you go to there, you go to there. Okay. If we go with 10, let's go with that and execute that and see what happens with that then. Okay. It delivers, I'm assuming they're going to deliver that. They're not the fastest in the world, are they? Okay, so there's lots going on. Contracts. Contracts been delivered, okay. Alright. Let's speed them up a little bit. I'm wondering if I were to put down another production area. What are you actually? Come on, what you want now? For construction zones, garden. Let's go to the help a second whilst doing that. Market planning machines. So, 18 machine types. Planning machines. Zones. Storage zones. Construction. Right, construction, okay. So it's construction. So I want to go into construction, which is this one. I want a production room. I want a production room 5x4 there. I'll put we need a door. The door there. Tick that. I'm then going to go to storage. There. We want machines. I want a machine. I want a plastic injection machine. Can I rotate you? Plastic injection machine. I want a plastic station. And I want a, what else do we want? We want an assembly station. Okay, and then we want to go to the robot market. We're now kind of losing money, which is a slight concern. Okay. Bankrupt at minus. Okay, we're not bankrupt yet, so economy and stats. Daily costs. Okay. Oh dear. Okay. So if I were then to go into the market and I was going to special order plan production, and I'm going to put you on that one, and then you on that one. 10, and we're going to go again, execute, and then I'm going to go. We're going to go to the robot, my robots, the robot market. Let's get a couple of cheap robots. Yeah, and we'll go you, and then we're going to go, and we're going to get. You look good. A bit expensive, but we're going to take you, Abigail, building 1. Good, you get in there. So we're going to hopefully get 2 robots working on that. Cool, they'll auto assign themselves there. Okay, so now I've got production line. Hopefully it's going to make us a bit of money. Because if it doesn't, we're in a bit of bother. That's just ever so slightly. I suppose the trick is with this, is planning to maximise your space, which I've already failed to do. If your robots rooms don't have enough charge of lubricators, okay, right, so we need to, okay. So I need to just hit pause a minute, because I messed up there. Hit pause. Right, so robots room. Robots room, screen's gone bonkers again. It's very sensitive. Robots room. Well, another charger. And we want, let's put 2 more charges in. I'm not paying any attention to the money here. And a lubricator. A lubricator there. Cool, right, okay. Hopefully that's enough for them. Alright, crack on if you don't mind, gents. Okay. So we've sorted that problem out. Market updated. Okay. Got more stuff coming in. So you require sewing machines. Ah, so you really want to stick with what you've got. We haven't got any spare. You can't production because it's due to ongoing production. Of course, we haven't got any. So I suppose it's kind of like planning. It's a typical management sim. It's planning, just maximising your space. For the moment, I've not maximised my space at all. What I should have done is put the door here and a door here, buttered them together. Then I could have got a smaller room. This at the moment, I've got all this dead space here that's completely just dead. Let's see how much money we'll make from this. Let's say what's this down here then? I'm not sure what that is. Oh well. Let's have a look at press the help button. Hang on. Bankruptcy at minus 10,000. So we're going to go bankrupt to minus 10,000. So let's try not to do that, shall we? Nothing on that one. Okay. Let's see if we can not go bankrupt. We can't afford to buy that because, you know. I wonder if you can extend this building. Minus 8,000. Come on, we need to complete this before we go bankrupt. I'm not entirely sure that's going to help us. Really. Okay. Let's see how this gets on. I'm literally just waiting for this to finish. Because we're at minus 10,000, goes again, we go bankrupt. We don't want that, do we? Watch the money come in. Daily cost. See our cost. See, the trick is not to expand too quickly. As I've done here, I've been way too quickly. But can you not get bankloads or anything like that? Money demolish zones. You can't borrow money from everything, can you? So you can't go to get a bank loan like that, can you? Does it appear to be that in the game? So get you delivered. They're coming for delivery. They're here for delivery. Let's see what that does to the money. And how much money do we get for that? Get this lot loaded. So they're all now loading this. They're working back on the plastic ducts. Let's get you for delivery. Okay, G factory level 1. So that's it. We've got a sizable chunk of money from that. So if I go back to the market, so we've still got the ducts to come. Okay, that wasn't bad. That wasn't a bad little shout. So I suppose as long as you don't go too mental like I just did. So once they're all in, so if I now go back into the market, I look at what we're going. If I do so basic special order. So if we were to put another one of them through, the price 266, maximum delivery units. If I go plan product, okay. If I plan product, we go another drum set. Let's put the drum sets in here again. Link you to that way, because you take time. You to there, and you to there. Then you to there. Let's get, because you take time, so let's execute you. And on this one, let's go back to here. And this one is different level 3, cost sustainability level 3. So we can't do that one. Insufficient factor parameters, durability, sustainability. Okay, we can't do that then. Okay. We require additional things. So we're going to plan more ducts. This time I'm going to build more ducts. So you're going to go you, and I'm going to go you, and I'm going to go. Let's make 30. 30, because I think these are quicker to make. Execute. Okay. They're off. They've got more stuff. They've got more resources coming to make the ducts, to make the stuff. So the resources you need to make them gets delivered when you make the order. So you don't have to worry about that. Let's speed it right up to 10. Let's just make sure we've got enough space to be able to make the required ducts before we go bankrupt, which could be quite difficult. Okay, so The available R&D projects. So, hang on, building. Green says what? 4. Count 3. There isn't. We need 3. We need more sustainability if we can build any of this lot, because they all require 4s. Nope, they all require 4, so there isn't available indeed points. Oh, okay. Available robot skills, movement speed, production speed. Let's get you up that one there like that. Okay, cool. That's that one. Okay. Can't spend that yet because we don't have enough. I do like this little interface. We might go bankrupt before we finish this, which worries me greatly. I might have actually bitten off more than I can chew with this one. We might not get it finished before we go bankrupt. Ha! Yeah, I shouldn't have built that second. I shouldn't have built the second thing. Oh well. You see, that is how much money we're going to get, I think, because that's a decent chunk of money. It's whether we get that through before we go bankrupt. So it's delivered. We need another 5. We're nearly there. We've got there. They just need to be finished. Okay. A lot of this game, I think is going to be literally just watching the screen tick over. Robot skill points. Let's get you on production. Worst case scenario, we can sell a robot if we have to. I don't think we'll have to, because we should finish building 1. We should finish the drum set before. Let's get that delivered. Okay, because what I can do is again. I suppose it's also working out what's more which is better, which gets you more money for the. I suppose it's the time it takes versus the length of time it takes to make the product versus how much money you actually make from it. See, we've just a chunk of cash there. That should have been delivered. Drum set should have been done. The ducks are working on that now. They're charging up. So hopefully now there's 4 of them working there. They should go faster. So that'll put us in the positive. We've earned. This is the money we should earn. If I got this right, we should earn 6,960 coins. We should call them from this. Okay. So we'll earn that, and then we'll play. So while they're doing that, we shall plan our next production. We've got another robot skill point available. Let's get you up on production speed. Okay. Because what I could, yeah. Okay, so robot market, leaderboard, what else we got here? Milestones, walls hide, and demolish, construction zones. Okay, market's going to be updated soon. That's nearly done. We're nearly done on that. That gives us a nice chunk of cash. So you almost always want something happening. Production being made. Get that delivered. Well, let's go now into the market. What we've got in the market? We've now got you. Planned production. You are. See, what's the difference between you and you? It's looking duck G, but you're cheaper. We're not going to make as much for you. I don't have it for that. I want to see the difference. Obviously, it makes less money. But what's the benefit of it then? Let's get you maximum up to 36 and execute that. Let's get back into the market and where's my mouse gone? Market. Let's get another 10. Let's make another 10 drums because that seems really simple to make. And that goes on there, and you go on there, and you go on there. So it's almost like you almost want production on repeat. So if I execute you, this could be. We've had the money through. Well, yeah, that's it. That's what you get. Starting out, that's exactly it. That's where the money you get. So if we look at this now, that's got us duck G. So we should be able to see what money we've got coming through. So we're going to get 9,000 from duck G. Have I understood this correctly? So I look at this market, so price, so let's go to the up, because I think I've got that wrong. My understanding of this market. There are 4 markets with the threshold order. The medium products are more complex, and the basic products usually require more machines. Okay, special orders, project info. If your factory parameters, durability are okay, blah blah blah. Yep, fine. Delivery, market cycles. What is it about the cost though? Each product has a graph to show the history of its price. You can also see the maximum deliverable amount you can execute in your plan. If your market fluctuations change over time, this may affect both price and demand for each product. I'm not sure I understand that, because that's going to get us 10 drums. That is basically 30. Let's get a calculator for that. I'm not sure I understand that. Let's get me calculator out and have a look. So if we go calculator, and I go, I'm calculating on my phone at the moment, folks. Just give me a second. Nope. Right, if I go 9972 divided by 36 equals 277. If I go to the market, and I look at the drum set, 300. I don't understand. I'm not sure I understand. So this product will leave the market cycle if there's no ongoing contract. So 425. This product will leave the market next cycle. I don't understand how this. I'm not sure I understand how this is. So that's 277. 244. 277. I'm not entirely sure how this is calculated payment. We're going to earn that much. Well, that's right. Okay. I'm not sure. Again, is that the profitability we get, or the sustainability? I'm not really sure. It's a difficult one. I'm not sure I fully understand how this is getting calculated. But anyway, with some logic to it. So now a lot of this is a waiting game. In the early stages of this game, it's just literally a waiting game, where you earn enough money to be able to. Well, you can change colour of floors and what have you. Bit of customizing. Pause menu, help. Yes, I suppose a lot of it in the early stages is just literally sat here, getting some production going, maxing out your production cycle while you're maxing out your speed on your game while you're making enough money for. Then you can start to get into it take a bit more time with it. But I think the initial early stage of the game, you are literally just sat watching the game tick over while trying not to go in bankruptcy. So it's getting these big contracts in. Early stages, a lot of it is literally going to be sat watching the screen tick over while you wait for you to have enough points to either upgrade your robots or improve production lines. I do think the space, maximising space, as I've messed this up, like I said earlier, I should have put the doors on here and I could have fit more rooms in. I'm going to have some weird shape I'm going to have to fit some weird shaped rooms in there. Yeah, I didn't think that one through. I didn't think that one through at all. They should be delivered at the same time. Now this one seems, yeah, if you look at this one, we kicked these off at about the same time. And they've come through with about the same. So the money's just gone down because the market value must have changed. So we're not going to earn as much, I don't think. Yeah, I don't understand that. I'm not sure I understand how this market works. Is that the profit we're going to make? I don't understand how that works. Right, let's get you delivered. It's a big chargeable sum. So we now get to the market now. So it is now 256. We can't produce as much in terms of deliverables. Get you delivered. Right, let's have a look what we've got here now. So you require a lot of stuff we don't have. We don't have a lot. So it's kind of working out. It's trying to look at what we've got. There's a lot of stuff we don't have, but we can't do you because haven't got the right requirement. So the question is do we do the same again? A paint station metal. If you look at that again, it's kind of. I'm dead to blast out another lot of this lot. we have to wait. We have to wait for the production. We have to wait for this lot to finish. But this should net us a decent amount. It's an interesting little game. I think there's going to be a lot of stood around waiting for the game to do something. We can now. I'm going to slow the game right down, because what we can do now is we can allocate this point to somebody. It's to you again, Melina. Let's get you up on your speed. Okay. We've got so in here now. We've got 3 R&D points. We can. This allows you to activate machine upgrade feature, or expand. Allows you to get orders. Allows you to preview 1 market cycle at a time. Solar panels, tree, lumberjack allows you to purchase 3 more tree types. Supply connection. That's durability. To produce robots. Obviously, it allows you to produce more materials for 12% discount. There's lots of different things you can do under lots of different areas. Market. So if we go hit machine upgrade, to upgrade this feature, yeah, might as well. I don't know what it does, but we shall find out together. Now I've got to come off here now. I can't remember what I do. So that's now. They're now delivering that. So that should drop in. That should drop in soon. We've earned money off that, so we can't do anything until they're done. So they need to do us a favour and hurry up, if you don't mind, game. Okay, that's given us that money from there. So now, if we just go and slow it right down. Let's go into the market and plan production 300. They're going to go out in the next market cycle. So if we go, let's another plan, another cycle of ducks. Another cycle of ducks. And that one there. And we want, let's max out what we can do. Let's keep it at cheap and cheerful. And then if we go to machines, so let's have one of these other things we can do. We can do one of this. So one of these things, this requires a forge station and a metal station. So if we go to machines, we want a forge station and a metal station. Can we buy these things? Forge station, the forge station you can sit there, and a metal station. A metal station. So what does that require? A paint station metal. A paint station metal. Paint station plastic. Paint station metal. Paint station metal. So let's put you in there. Okay, so what we can do now is we can now go over into here. We can go to you. We can plan production. We can go forge station. We can go you to there, and you're going to be to that one. Let me see what we kind of like. I suppose again, hindsight's all nothing, but then I suppose you keep your rooms. If you keep your rooms small, what's the max we can deliver on this one? Is it 15? 6 is max we can deliver, or is it? Why can't we execute it? Why can't we execute that? Why can't we execute it? I don't understand why we can't execute that. Have I missed something? Shit. Why can't we execute this? Plan production. Plan production. So if I go into orders, right, we've got that. So if I go to plan production, maximum 16 units. Ship R. Okay. Forge station. Bush. That like that. And we're going to go there. And you're going to go to there. And you're going to go to there. Expenses, estimates, choose. Oh, I haven't changed my durability. That'll be why. Let's make 16, because why the devil not? Execute. I see what I just missed then. I just spotted that. If I go to market now and we go to something like that, if we go to something like this, we go to something like plan production. We can't probably haven't got that. There was actually a screen on there that we missed. There, so estimates, expenses is that, payment that, profit this. That's where you see how much. That's how you see how much money you're making. So if we were to get something like that, we haven't got production, we can't do it, we haven't got the space. That's how you see how you make money. Yeah, so okay, that's how you see how much money you're making from it. Oh, easy. It is, again, it's quite obvious really, because it is a really friendly UI. It's really easy to see what you need to do. It's see what everything is. See, we're not getting an awful lot for that. We're still in a profit line, but we're not getting an awful lot. Got a robot upgrade. Let's get you on your improve your usefulness. Sustainability is down to -17. Okay, we won't worry about that. Yes, basic key takeaways for me is maximising your space, and then there's a lot to look at here, but it's all easy. It's all relatively easy to understand. There's nothing in there that's rocket science. Upgrade, form 20% better. Let's upgrade all my stuff because I can afford it. Machine upgrade. Hopefully, so I can go quicker. Make some really fast. Let's just click. So what happens if we click on that? So if it goes from, so makes them more efficient, right? Go that. Yeah, these are less power. That's what we want. Okay. Our sustainability's gone. Figures got better. So now you literally just a case of watching them do stuff. I suppose then it's kind of like, then you're supposed to start looking at whether you need more one type of machine, or whether something like this, if you had two machines. So if we looked at the production plan of this, if we looked at what it needs in the assembly cycle, if I can get to the assembly cycle,